When Niels Diffrient started designing the Freedom chair, he wanted to design the perfect task chair, one without any compromises. It's become the chair of choice of heads of states and heads of major corporations and organizations across the globe.
So Freedom has become the icon in our space. It's truly pioneering. Most chairs require inputs to adjust the tension. There's springs, locks, levers, knobs, dials. Under human scale chair, all human scale chairs, there's no need to make any adjustment, and that's revolutionary. OSHA has a statistic where 31% of workplace injuries, ironically, are not associated with manual labor of any kind. It's actually associated with sitting still. And that's exactly where human scale fits, as we're eliminating this fixed sitting posture and we're promoting movement and the natural human movement of your particular body.
So Niels had essentially developed a chair at this point where when someone sits in it, it automatically uses their body weight to adjust the recline force perfectly for them, as if it were made for them.
What's fantastic about the gravity mechanism is we recognize chairs are traded and shared throughout a day. The beauty of this chair is whoever sits in any human scale chair, it's instantly tailored to their body type.
Good ergonomics is really exactly the same as great comfort. Good ergonomics makes sure you're comfortable. In a Freedom headrest chair specifically, when you lean back in that chair, the headrest moves ever so slightly forward to support and cradle your head. You could get a phone call and naturally lean back and chat, or grab a document and lean back and chat, and then sit up for a while. People can move spontaneously from one position to another. That's not only really, really healthy, but it's really, really comfortable. When Niels designed things, chairs or anything, he had no interest in fashion or decorative stuff. He wanted to solve a functional problem, in this case, a very comfortable chair, as simply, as minimally, and elegantly as he could. And if he did that well, he ended up with a form that's not only beautiful, but beautiful over time and beautiful in any culture in the world, because it's not tied to someone's sense of beauty in a specific place and time.